Mama. What you doing, Katie? Huh? What you doing?
It's fine.
Huh?
It's up to you and
What you doing under there? Huh? What you doing under there?
Hey, girls.
There's Mama.
Thank you, though.
There's Katie. Hey, Katie. Hey, Katie. Katie. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
Did I miss something?
She's gonna go play with
Really?
somebody else. Uh-oh, no, don't even think about it. And she's playing with her Mama. She likes to wrestle with Mom. Where's your toy? Eddie, go get your toy. Go get it. Go get it. Go get your toy.
Not officially. Three games right here.
She's pretty fast.
We have two, pal.
She loves to chase Mama. Hey, don't ya? Don't ya? Huh? Where's Mama? Where's Mama? Where is she? Go get her. Go get her. What is she doing? Ah, no. Eddie, come back. Come back. Oh, you got a toy? You want to play with the toy? She loves to play two toys.